In this video, I'm going to show how you can track your students' progress. You need to add a completion progress to the course. So first you need to turn editing on and then click on add a blog, find completion progress blog, click on it. You can see completion progress here, and the blue color shows that the activities haven't been done. And if I click on each of them, I can go directly to the required activities, and if I do the activities, it shows the green color. If I want to change setting, I need to click on setting, configure completion progress. If I want to delete it, delete completion progress block, or maybe you like to hide completion progress block. But if I want to change the setting, I need to click on configure a completion progress block. Here you can change the settings. You can order bar by time using expect completed on date or ordering in course. You can choose how you want to present the bars, quiz, scroll, or wrap, or about the location. You can choose how to locate it, how it is located in the course, and for example is whether it should be visible on this page, region right or region content weight, and then you choose save changes. I'm going to cancel it. And if you want to see to have an overview of students' progress, just you need to click on overview of students, and it shows the users, the students with their completion progress, and easily you can check which activities they have done or not done. Thank you so much for your attention.